Myntri ka sorkar Jylla ubadai Peit tnad pule puthi Rakkam A Sangma ulako bake NPP kan job na baroh ki Parliamentary Constituency hangne Jylla kata na Shillong bat Tura hakani ka MP election Lok Sabha ka banlong snem hajar phusau. Haba kren beklar pathai Khubor utei Myntri ubadai ru MLA na ka parti NPP ulong ru ba Khmih Lynti baka Shillong kan sei do briew ba Stad ban Iasaid ba iatai Lok Sabha. Laban kdew hangne baki election MP kan long snem ban 1 kata sakuba san nindri benai mynta.
No, I don't have any ideas. But NPP will be fighting the next MP election, and we are expecting an NPP will be winning the Shillong seat in 2024, and also whoever may be the candidate, Shillong needs a great man to represent in the day, because there are many issues like what happened in Manipur today. I miss Sir Khmih Sangma today. We need somebody in Parliament to talk about Northeast, to represent it well at the national level of that stature, because Shillong is the capital of entire Northeast. The then before creation of Assam, right? So look at that. Shillong at a very high stature, even today. So if Shillongite can send the best man to the parliament, it would really be the sound way to move forward for the people.